One of the principles that makes Vision to Victory so powerful is the cohort of people that we're serving with. And it's really that it's serving with. I've shared before that the most common question that I receive before someone decides to enroll is, will I fit in? Will I be able to create enough value for the rest of the folks in the group? Well, you can. And if you're asking that question, you're in the right place. The premise of having a cohort to serve with, to have accountability to, is so incredibly powerful. I'm struck because last week during one of our meetings, we were tackling issues that were top of mind for some of our cohort members. These are the help me, I'm stuck, or have you guys ever dealt with this type of situation before issues? We had robust dialogue that turned into some additional follow ups. And the most important thing is, I've heard from a number of people in the last week that that was the most powerful part of their week. It is amazing when you can break through the barrier of loneliness. Leadership doesn't have to be lonely. Accountability doesn't have to be hard or forced. What it is saying, I want to be better and I cannot do it alone. Our next cohort launches in August. And if you've been stuck trying to get out of a place of being the bottleneck or feeling frustrated because the results just aren't where you want them to be, and oh, yes, if you've been lonely, well, this is the right room for you. One of my favorite quotes is, if nothing changes, future you will be an exaggerated version of present you. Now's the time. Take charge, grab the reins, get together with a team of like minded leaders, installing a system that works and doing it in a way that creates lasting impact. Click below to learn more.